John Copeland here with Compress UV printers. That shows you a little bit more of different types of printing we can do. And I'm not going to lie to you. We like to use these things in-house for ourselves, right? Why not? We're going to bring up the level of our product just by putting some personalization on. And that's really what this marketplace is all about, is taking items and personalizing them to the needs and desires of your customers for their business, for their own personal application. One of our businesses sells supplies and accessories to the embroidery industry. Those of you who do that know these are just the thread trimmers that you would use in common embroidery. But we wanted to put a little twist on it. Put the name, the logo, website on here, maybe a phone number on the back. So what we've done is we've set up our jig here that we showed you in one of our last videos. We actually printed this jig on this printer so that we could hold these items, because as you can see, but this is not a normal shape. We actually printed these out and we've got it set up so we can print two sides at once on these items. One side we're going to be printing just to kind of show you. We're doing the fronts, the other we're doing the backs, which has the information on it. I've loaded them up. I've already set the height on my machine. I'm going to go ahead and draw these back into there. And once again, we're going to be showing this is a bi-directional 720 by 720 print. Something you really can't do in a lot of our competitors. We're printing bi-directionally and we're printing at 720, 720. A lot of times you're going to see 1440 prints. A lot of times you see unidirectional prints. The way these machines are set up, they're just designed to rock and roll and print at a lower resolution and in bi-directional, which really, really sets us apart from the competition, which means you're able to get more productivity out of the machine in a given period of time. More productivity means more units out means more money in your pocket. The clippers I was just talking to you about here right now, and give me a chance to kind of talk a little bit about what sets us apart in the marketplace, because there's a lot of choices you have out there when you're looking at flatbed, small format UV printers. One of the big items is, you can't see it here, and we'll show you in a little bit, is the depth that we can go down on this machine. We can actually go to about 11.7 inches, almost an entire foot of depth. What application would that have? Items that are already assembled you're wanting to print on the top of, say things like certain trophies, maybe things like baseballs, basketballs, softballs. A lot of our competition only goes to 6 inches. You know, so you're losing anything over that size. And actually, if you think about if it's something that's not flat, you're also going to have to think about something to hold that. So that might take up an inch of your base, just having a holder as well. Having 11.6, 11.7 inches of space, there's not very many items you can't load into here and print, especially it's pre-assembled items. Here we go, we finished printing out. We got our company logo and the phone number. See if I can see, there we go. Done both of those. As you see, we printed both sides. Flipped them over. We actually set the jig up so that we're printing half of these on the phone number and half of these on the website. We just flipped it over when we were done. All right. So there it is. This is the Compress UV 600S. This is our small format machine. We also have the 1200S, which is going to give you almost another 20 inches of print width and more than double the depth. This is Don Copeland with Compress UV printers.